and welcome back or welcome. And Today I am running very short of time and I'm just here to make a push basket. Many of us do not actually know what a push basket is. Actually, if I explain it to you, a push basket is a foreign concept, okay? It's something, um, the new mothers get, right? Their siblings, their spouses, their best friends, right? They get it to them. And as you can pretty much tell, I'm very late. Oh, okay. I have messed up a little, actually, a lot. The box that I had ordered is not the current size. Actually, it might work. It might work. Let's just try and see. I do have a basket also, as the name suggests, but again, I have a very small one. Like when I was buying it, I thought that it won't be that the stuff won't be that huge, or like I would be able to fit it easily, but then I wouldn't. Actually, I need to turn on the easy, or I need to open the glasses. But if I do either, बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ आएगी, so I can't do both of the options. So we are going to be a little quick because A, I'm running late, and B, it's like very hot right now. It's humid. It's not hot. It's actually humid. So I do have a couple of things with me, and I am actually panicking honestly, because I'm a little late, and that's all I mean. Yeah, and also I was about to say that what do you guys actually want to see on my channel? Do you guys want to see like long form content, or do you want to see like short form content? Because I am actually thinking of making more short form content than long form, because but like my I don't know what my audience is. I feel if my audience is something who would binge watch me, then I think long videos are going to be better, right? If like as my initial thought while making this channel was that I really want my audience to just find like a brain rotty channel where they can just sit and talk, and where they can hear somebody talk while they enjoy their meals, or while they're doing something else, and something that plays in the background, right? But if you want something more intellectual, or if you want something more something more niche, if I must say, then please let me know in the comment sections, because I was actually thinking of not making very specific videos, but like videos that can be just played in the background while people do their shit. Not their shit actually, but like people do their work, right? And also, coming back to the basket, this is what I made last night, like these fillers. And the glue is pathetic, it's not sticking at all. But we'll see. We do have another option. Let's see what works out. I'll show you what all I have. I have a watch from Joker and Witch, okay, for my sister, right? Then my clutcher fell. Please ignore that. I am a little not in the current. What do I say? Uh, Actually, I'm new to all of this. Right. I'm new to the whole record myself while I do stuff. Then, if you want me to like tell you what all I have in details, and like what you guys can gift, what you guys can put in the push baskets, yeah, no, the first item is not even fitting. So yeah, no, it's a big no. So we'll have to manage something else. We are like letting this box go as of now. We'll fix this person later. Like not, we'll fix the whole situation a little later. I do have this Miniso basket. I'll show you guys. Give me a second. Here. I think this is the best one. I did keep extra papers just in case I have to cut more of it, but I don't think I need to because this is ample and I have more. So let's just start by putting the big items. Okay, let's just put this. Okay, this is now the first item that I'm putting in the whole box is this is like a night suit, okay, like a very comfy night suit from West Side. I'm not sure what. Actually, it's not. It's from Wonder Love. Like I got it from West Side. It's like a whole shorts and a t-shirt in a bag situation. So it's very handy for new mothers, right? This is like item number one. Item okay. The theme is very beige and pink, as you guys have already guessed. This is a I was about to say lipstick, a nail paint. Sorry for the glitch, but yeah, if you're going to be a future viewer slash somebody who's going to watch me frequently, you guys are going to notice that I fumble a lot. Okay, I'm not somebody who is very well versed right now with any of the languages, neither English nor Hindi. तो समझ जाओ. Also, I was thinking to put one of those water bottles, one of those Stanleys, but then मेरी बहन के पास वो तो ऑलरेडी है. मैं एक तीसरा लेके गई, वो वही उठा के मुझे मारेगी. So no, we cannot put that. Yeah, I'll show you what else do I have. Also, I have a lotion. I know ये थोड़ा थीम के साथ नहीं जा रहा है, but you need to understand कि अगर सब थीम करने के चक्कर में मैंने उसके फेवरेट्स नहीं डाले तो फिर क्या फ़ायदा, तो फिर और भी मार पड़ सकती है. So that is also a no. We'll keep this baby aside for a second. We have this रुको sheet masks. I have these Miniso sheet masks and hair mask. Right, इसको ऐसा लगा देंगे मस्त. Oh, I forgot the letter at home. Fuck that. Also, how's the makeup? Today I did not have my tinted sunscreen. It was just such a heartbreak for me because I don't do my makeup without that. These are tissues because like you need this postpartum, right? And I don't have space to accumulate them. Okay, yeah, I'm out of space already. Yeah, this is how the whole thing looks. I do have a few more small items to fit. I think what I can do is no, I can't actually. I thought I'd fit it in this one, but no. And my car is a mess right now. I need to get it cleaned by those. I knew this guy, okay? I'll tell you. Give me a moment. Yeah, I'm back. This is also something what I got her. Because, like, I feel, motherhoods and new mother, they deserve kindness the most. And if you can't, even again, this is something very personal. A lot of people do not appreciate gifts, but like my sister does. So I'm going to get her gifts. I am going to find reasons to, pamper her. Right. This is how the whole set looks right now. I'll put the letter, and that's it. If you want to know what do I or like what all I have in this box, or if you want details or links to any of these things, or you want to get these hampers made by someone professional, then please DM. Also, I am going a little off topic, but I actually need to discuss this also. I was thinking I'll get her a pre-maternity gift as well, right? I did get her a gift, but the whole concept that I was trying was a little different. I wanted something that a nice pouch that has mama to be written and everything cute, how it works. But I couldn't. Like the person I contacted for the whole customization, she was a little busy because it was the wedding season, right? Two of very important women in my life were expecting at that time, but I couldn't get. So right now, this is what the best I could do, and I'm running very late, like very late. And I hope she likes it. I'll also, I think the main gift would be the letter because that is what binds everything. So yeah, I need to put that as well. And other than that, I think we are sorted. If you want like a quick review, I can give that a night suit, a watch, two like one of sheet mask, one of hair masks, a nail paint somewhere hidden that I can't no I can no longer find that baby. Yeah, here it is. A tissue box because like it's not a box but it's like tissue is very important, a body lotion and a letter. I was also about to get her a chocolate, but then I realized that it is like that time where a lot of people are going to get her eateries, so she's going to get chocolates. I'm not getting her chocolates, but you can add that also. You can also add a Polaroid of you and your sister. I couldn't arrange that because I was very, very short of time. I'll just check everything once if everything is done or not. I'll get the letter and I'll put that. And then I'll see you in the next video, and do let me know what do you want to see as my audience. And also I feel as like when I was creating this channel, I was very I was in confusion that do I start a Instagram page or a YouTube page, like a YouTube channel. बट देन आई थॉट दैट जो मेरी ऑडियंस है वो मेरे तक कैसे ना कैसे करके पहुंच ही जाएगी, चाहे वो इंस्टाग्राम की ऑडियंस हो चाहे वो यूट्यूब की ऑडियंस हो. So I hope I find the right audience. Also, if you want to like know the story of my hair, it was not a story, but like my hair color experience. Let me know जिस इससे पहले मेरा hair color fade हो जाए, right? Also, let me know what next you want to see. Because short form content का ideas I have a lot and वो तो बहुत सारे आएंगे ही आएंगे, but long form में आपको क्या देखना है क्या नहीं देखना है, please let me know. And till then, bye bye, like, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit in the comment sections because we want that reach, okay? And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. And I hope if you were eating and if you were doing something else, you had a nice experience. Chalo, bye bye.